Ellie and everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tuner report for Joshua right around Ohio on this Ranger RCI 99N4. Joshua, got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic cap upgrades, wideband transmit receive. This joker is truckerized. Got your high cut noise filter. Let me show you here. Listen to that difference. Alright, we're gonna show you what we got here. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug in average, just a hair under 25, just in case you decide to run amp, you got full adjustability. Roll it all the way up, 125 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, audio, about 215. 1000 watt slug PEV, hello, hitting that 600 watt mark. So got about 100 watts more of it with the Truckerized package, which also includes the ERF 2030 plus MOSFET upgrades in the radio section. If it's something like you're looking to get, just let me know and we'll get you all fixed up. I'm your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.